Transfer case driver-selectable modes are a way that the driveline is selected by the driver to deliver a desired performance. Transfer case driver-selectable modes utilize HMIs to allow the driver to directly or indirectly command the transfer case system. The commands from the driver change the transfer case system's power flow to the front and rear drive shafts. Benefits of using driver-selectable modes is to optimize drivability performance, increase fuel economy, and reduce wear and tear on the engine, transmission, and tires. There are many driver-selectable modes, including 2-high or two-wheel drive is when the torque is transferred to the rear axle and tires only. The front axle could be live, meaning always spinning, or disconnected, which is a more fuel-efficient driver mode when disconnected. 4-high or four-wheel drive is when the torque transfer is locked in, allowing for the front and rear axles as well as the tires to rotate with no additional gear reduction. This mode is good for driving fast in four-wheel drive on surfaces with low coefficients of friction, such as gravel, dirt, snow, and mud. N, or neutral, is when the torque transfer from the transmission to the axle is disengaged. If a vehicle is being towed, neutral is the position that the vehicle should be in to prevent the transmission from spinning. Auto, or active, is when the torque transfer to the front axle is deemed necessary based on the control strategies or calibration. For example, four-wheel drive is ideal for low coefficients, and when four-wheel drive is not required, it is recommended to switch to 2-high to improve fuel economy. And finally, terrain modes are when alternate calibrations of auto control are equipped with a vehicle based on the changing of driving conditions or the vehicle response desired by the driver.